How's the world of caravan repairing and servicing, Lee?
Well, I'm still really busy, but it is starting to quieten down a little bit on the phone.
What do you think the reason is?
Some people are starting to put them away. I think there is still people starting to put them away now. I mean, I'm still getting a lot of calls. A lot of the calls I'm getting now are all for warranty services. So it's not people who have bought vans and want things checking now. It's for warranty services. So, but I'm still getting plenty.
Yeah. Anything you've seen in the comments, mate?
Yes, I saw one regarding heating external water tanks. It's a question I got asked by a customer this week, actually. He was asking whether to put a jacket on the outside or whether to put a heater within the tank. I mean, I haven't got my water tank covered and protected. It's as it is. But you can put a jacket on them. He did suggest to me putting a fish tank heater within his water tank to keep it warm. But unless you've got a variable one, that's actually going to be a bit too warm. And I said the problem you've got with that is when you start getting into certain temperature ranges, you also start messing with the risk of Legionella and things like that. So it's not something I'd advise doing something like that. But yeah, if you could probably put an external blanket on to insulate it. That's not a problem.
John, is there any more questions you've had come in at all? Is there anything like a cover that can be put over a motorhome to prevent any leaves covering the scuttle?
You can get motorhome covers. You can get full motorhome covers. You can get top motorhome covers. You could use some of the windscreen covers cover that scuttle along the front. So yeah, they are available.
Very important on vans below 2001 to keep that scuttle clear of leaves, because what happens is if it gets the leaves on the scuttle, the water drips over and drips onto the gearbox, and then you start to get your gearbox crunching. So really important on pre-2001s. Tony Rycroft. Oh, he's gone. Merlin, will we have the suggestions for the cheaper non-invasive moisture meters as promised from last week?
X-Tech.
Whoa, pull that out of the bag.
I didn't think you had it in you there, Lee. I thought you was going to let us down.
When I first started, I used a Protimeter Mini, and I had an X-Tech pinless meter purely because of the cost of getting a Survey Master when I first started. But I actually had an X-Tech pinless meter for 2 or 3 years that I used until I upgraded to the Survey Master.
Okay. Any more, John? Are motorhomes crash tested, and do the small converters crash test?
I have no idea.
Me neither. Shane?
I know they do crash tests on motorhomes. I can't think who it was. It might have been Frankie or the Voyager put out a video probably 2-3 years ago, something like that. I'll have to try and find it. It is quite interesting to watch, to be honest.
Okay.
But I'm not too sure on the mass market. But they do obviously do the crash test of beds in the camper vans and stuff, don't they?
Lee. Question for Jason and Shane. Is it normal for dealers to ask for your Part X a day after you've done the deal? No.
They can ask, but it doesn't always mean they're going to get it, does it?
Why would they ask for it, Shane?
Yeah.
to get it sold.
So they can sell it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it, I think, to be honest.
I think
there's one there, Chris Bloxham, just come in asking about paint on shower trays. I've never used anything on a shower tray, to be fair. Normally, I recommend anyone having a shower tray repair to contact speed coat. That's probably about the best thing you can do if you're going to repair a shower tray, is get speed coat done on it.
Yeah, that's what we use, Lee. Normally, if you've got the cracks in the shower tray, what we tend to do is drill in either side and then seal up, and then we use a coating of that over. And they do also do now another spray that puts a lacquer on top as well.
Yeah, I don't do any shower tray repairs, to be honest with you. It's not something I've ever gotten involved with.
Time consumingly.
Yeah, that's the thing. It is very time consuming.
Martin Sills, hi Lee, what's the average cost for a damp check?
Check.
I couldn't. I mean, I know around here it's around probably about 40 odd quid, 45 quid for a damp test with report. I would. But again, it's one of those that varies from area to area. Some people, I mean, it's when you start looking at service costs, that sort of thing, they vary so much from area to area. But it all depends where you are and what the prices are run by you, because it's a big. Come on, what was that?
They'll have crash tested. Sorry, Chroma Pal, not Chromatol.
Who's doing these things on the screen?
He's having a bad day, isn't he?
I think he is, isn't he?
Is there anything else, John?
This afternoon or something?